Hello. In this video I will show you how to prevent that certain hardware is used on horizontal parts. In this cabinet there is a front panel which is fixed using the Keku-EH. The Keku-EH looks as follows. The panel is mounted from the top to the bottom. Therefore we don't need the Keku on the horizontal parts like the top or the bottom panel. I now show you how to prevent that they are used on these parts. First open the connector settings. Then go to the connector and create an empty connector. Don't add any boreholes and save it. Then create a construction for this connector. I will use 20 mm for this and hit new. Then I select the connector we just created, enter 0.5, add the connector to the construction and save it. After that I close the menu. If you then reopen the settings and go to P2P, you can now add a rule. I will now call this rule Keku-EH and create the rule by clicking the plus button. And then I set the rule for this connector, or I set a rule to use an empty connector between the parts where I don't want the Keku-EH. So when the top panel is connected to the front cover, I want to use the empty connector instead of the Keku-EH. To make this happen, I just need to click plus here, do the same for the bottom panel to the front cover, and close the menu. If I then close this menu also, select the second cabinet and choose the rule that we have just created, you can now see that the connectors are gone and the Keku-EH is only used on the vertical parts. Thank you for watching.